This charming home, overlooking the majestic course of the Hot Springs Country Club, will take you back in time when people would enjoy sitting on their porch and watch the world go by or entertain on a spacious back patio. The bright and open floor plan is welcoming and creates a relaxing environment. This home features beautiful real hardwood flooring in the bedrooms, spacious living room and kitchen, and all the character. Enjoy watching the world go by while enjoying the great view overlooking the golf course from your front porch. The private backyard features a flagstone patio and terraced flower beds plus a detached storage building.